First grade, it's Mrs. Todd. Today we're going to talk about the rhythm of the words with quarter notes and eighth notes, or tas and titis, with a friend. It's Yellowbird. Yellowbird, yellowbird, through my window. Yellowbird, yellowbird, through my window. Oh, first grade, I'm tired. Let's clap the rhythm of the words just for the first 8 counts. Just the beginning, like this. Yellowbird, yellowbird, through my window. What would the rhythm of the words look like? Yellowbird, yellowbird. Should I put a ta or a tt on this beat? Yellowbird, yellowbird. A ta. Also known as a quarter note. What about this beat? Yellowbird, yellow, yellow. That's a tt. Yellowbird, ta. Oh, did you notice a pattern? Yellow. Yellowbird, yellowbird. The rhythm of the words for the beginning of Yellowbird is tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta, through my window. Ta, 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 ta. But what if Yellowbird wasn't yellow? What if Yellowbird was blue? Would the rhythm be the same or different? Bluebird, bluebird. Bluebird, bluebird. Is it the same or different? It's different. What beats do I need to change to make it correct? Bluebird, bluebird. Should I change the third beat or the fourth beat? Bluebird. The third beat. What should this be? Blue. Blue is a ta. Ooh. What do I need to do on the beginning, the first 2 beats? Bluebird. Do I change the first beat or the second beat? The first beat. So the rhythm of the words for bluebird is ta, 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 through my window. I wonder what other colors would be. We already said that the rhythm for Yellowbird is tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta, ta, 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 ta. And the rhythm for Bluebird is ta, 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 ta. Where would Purple Owl go? Is it tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta, or is it ta, 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 ta? Let's try Yellowbird, yellowbird, and see if it's the same rhythm as Purple Owl. I'll clap the rhythm for Yellowbird while I sing Purple Owl. So Yellowbird is in my hands, Purple Owl is in my voice. Purple owl, through my window. It's the same rhythm. What if it was red? Red bird, through my window. Yellowbird or bluebird? Let me clap the rhythm of the words for yellow bird in my hands, and I'll sing red bird. Red bird, through my window. Was it the same? No. Let me try bluebird. Red bird, through my window. Yes, the rhythm of the words for redbird is the same as bluebird. What about purple bird? Yellow or blue? Purple bird, through my window. Yes, it matches the same rhythm as yellow bird's rhythm. What about brown bird, through my window? Try it. Is it the same as yellow bird? Brown bird, brown bird. Brown bird, brown bird. Yes, it's the same as the rhythm for bluebird. What if the bird was rainbow? Let's try yellow bird. Rainbow bird, through my window. I think it's that one, but let's check the other one to be sure. Rainbow bird, through my window. Ooh, which one fit the best? Yellow bird. The rhythm for yellow bird fits the best. Yellow bird, purple owl, purple bird, and rainbow bird all have the rhythm tee tee ta, tee tee ta, ta 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 ta. But bluebird, redbird, and brown bird share the rhythm ta 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 ta. Now you'll get to make your own on Seesaw. Now keep in mind your Seesaw activity might look a little bit different. I would like it to look like this, but it's a little tricky with the graphics of the music notes. I'm working on it. If it doesn't look exactly like this, it's okay. You'll get to make up your own bird song in your bird rhythm. So maybe you want to do 2 different colors, maybe red and yellow. Red bird, yellow bird, through my window. Or maybe you like purple and blue better. So we'll do purple and blue, and then it would sound like this. Purple bird, blue bird, through my window. You can, if you would like, you can record it yourself performing your favorite one. If your favorite bird isn't here, you might be able to find it on the app using the emojis or on your device. Maybe, maybe not, but you can look if you don't see your favorite color. Have fun and stay safe. We really miss you guys. Bye.